Okay, welcome back to Show Me Down Under. I'm Doug. It's a Monday. And I'm not running late, which is probably the first time I've ever said that. I'm not running late because I'm not working in my shop today. I'm actually working at the bottle shop. I've got a 1 p.m. start, so quite fortuitous actually, because it's been really wet and wild and cold overnight. And it's a great morning just to sleep in. So I'm shaving with a razor I've never shaved with before. And it is a Milord. Absolutely very nice. You can see that. Let me do this here. There's a little spot there. I'm not sure if this has been replated. If anything, I suspect the head has been replated and the handle is the original plating. Sounds a bit conspiracy theory, but that's what I think. And what blade? Of course, spoiler, Gillette spoiler. Great blade, absolutely great blade. If you find a sealed dispenser online on eBay, or if you're fortuitous and an American living in America out in those antique shops around the place, if you can find a dispenser that's sealed, buy it. You need to try the spoiler blades. And a quick hello to all my new subscribers that have come on board in the last couple of weeks. And a big hello and thank you to all my long-term subscribers, and thank you for everyone who's just watching who hasn't subscribed. And if you enjoy the video, please hit like. I'm always tentative coming down that way along my bottom lip. Got a basic shop story for you, I'll tell you shortly. If you're wondering, I'm on the Gentleman's Nod, the 01, the George shave soap. I really love it. Cedarwood, tobacco and cherry. It's just an amazing combination of scents, and it's one of my favourite shave soaps. So anyway, Jimmy came back into the shop, and if some of you might remember, Jimmy looks like he'd be a nice lad, but he's just got some unfortunate mental health issues. And the last time I spoke with him was, I don't know, a few weeks ago now, 2-3 weeks ago. He came into the shop looking for a rubber vagina that had to be of certain length and diameter. Anyway, Jimmy was peeking and he had his imaginary friend with him. And I thought I'd sold Jimmy on something, but his imaginary friend, talked him out of it. Anyway, Jim came in a few times yesterday, pretty much in a similar state. And this time he grabbed a rubber vagina and put it on the counter and asked me to hold it for it. Bit of a nick. And he starts telling me about some DVD, and it was a bit hard to understand him. Well, the only thing I understood was that something about, "I'll be back, do you want a beer?" And I just said, "No, Jimmy, that's all right." And just let him go. I don't want him buying me stuff. Not that I'm being a mongrel, just that I don't want him, he's obviously on the lowest rung on the income scale, and I don't want him spending money on me. He can spend that on himself. Anyway, he came back. And he wants to know if I can order this porno DVD in for him. And look, I'm not going to, mainly because well, if I could, I would. But I'm selling the shop. It's a real pain in the butt for me to order this stuff in, because it's got to go through a wholesaler in Australia. Then they got to buy it from America, and then it's going to come back out. Takes a long time. What made it worse was Jimmy can't really remember the title. And he goes, it was released around 2012, 2014, 2013. I'm thinking, I've got Buckley's are getting that. Anyway, I can't repeat the name of the DVD here on the video. A little snick down there. And out of curiosity, I thought, well, I'll try and look for it. Well, the first word is Lil, L-I-L, Lil. And the only DVD that came up, title that came up in that search, was midgets. Just a midget DVD, porno. So I have to tell Jimmy I tried, but no luck. So this week I've picked up that many hours in the bottle shop. I'm hardly even working in my own shop. I think they're actually giving me keys to the shop today and an alarm code because they want me to start locking up. So it's good. So once I get that all down pat, I have been showing I'll be all right. That'll help me pick up more consistent hours. And put me in a good position if any of the other fellas want to pull back their hours, which there has been a bit of talk about. Well, that was a good shave. Couple of little nicks. Little one there, and it's down here, which is strange. Probably really bad technique when I got down there, but then again, it could just be this razor. I'm just not quite used to the shape of the head. Who knows? Let's compare it. Get my head out of the way. See if that focuses. Don't think it is. Hang on. Yeah, fairly similar. The Aristocrat does feel a bit better in the hand. It's a little heavier, just a little fatter in the handle, but this is still nice. I'm actually quite impressed with this one. So I've had a Milord or two for most of my journey, but of collecting, but this is the first time I'm going to use it. It has helped that I bought one the other day in America. I can't believe there was me and one other bidder. We only put on one bid each, and pardon me. I picked up a really nice one of these in its case for 31 USD. So I don't know, when you live in Australia and you get something that nice for 31 American dollars, I think I got very lucky. So that's what made me decide to come out and shave with us today, and actually I'm quite impressed. Very nice razor. So yeah, these are fairly cheap on the market to pick up. So if you see one that's cheap and you're not, you can afford to buy that without busting your bank, go for it. I think you'll enjoy it. It was quite a mild shave, I would say. It's nice. So we'll finish off with, that was too much. Some aftershave lotion. see there my face. Far too much. So if any of you guys are on Instagram, I am on Instagram, Shaving Down Under. If you'd like to come down and hit the friends or follow button or whatever it's called. Something I saw on Instagram the other day is Gentleman's Nod are about to release, wow, there's so much. I've just put too much on. Are about to release a new soap and splash, and I believe it may come with an EDP or a parfum. So that looks interesting. So it's something that I will definitely be chasing up. There was another one released. I don't know why this has got by me. I've got to make sure I'm still on their mailing list. An orange scented, I think it was a Zaharoff that was released recently too. So if you're into orange type scents, I know, was it Ralph Lauren? The Polo, years ago he did that silver ball and it had orange scent in it. It was really nice. So if you're into that style of scent, very nice and summery. So all you people in America, or in the Northern Hemisphere. Well, I smell fantastic, people, so I'm ready to go to work. Get dressed and go to work. Okay, glad you're all stuck around and watched my video. Unboxing on Wednesday. Ooh, yes, I've got a very nice soap and splash coming up this Friday, an Australian one, and I can't wait to get into it, to try that one out. Okay, enjoy your week, people, and hopefully it goes fast for you anyway, and you can check out my unboxing video on Hump Day. Okay, we'll talk to you all soon. Take care. Ciao for now.